Greetings everyone. We're kicking off by opening a new file, 14 inches by 16 at 300 dpi. Now I'm importing pre-rendered images created using MidJourney, an AI tool previously discussed in other videos you can find linked below. I'm using Replace Color and Levels tool to remove the black backgrounds from my images, aiming for 000 in our RGB panel on the Info tab. Most of the images I generate on MidJourney have a black or similar background, allowing for easy removal. If you're curious how this action works, I break it down in a tutorial which you can find linked below. Next, I'm adjusting the images, focusing on our superhero. I overlay the superhero image on top of another. I'm deleting unnecessary details using the magic eraser tool. Using an outer glow to enhance the definition and backdrop. Adjusting the outer glow and image size, our hero begins to stand out more prominently. I am bringing this planet background image in front of our square image with stars here, using a clipping mask to avoid permanently erasing off the image details. The series I'm working on here revolves around superheroes, which this particular hero being a cosmic character, aptly named Captain Cosmic, as you will see later. I've chosen purple and blue as his primary colors. These are of course fake superheroes, faux heroes if you will, that I am designing for the purpose of presentation. For the text elements, I'm employing effects such as bevel and emboss, and multiple drop shadows. You can copy the layer style from one another and paste it onto other layers such as the text below. This maintains uniformity across your text. I'm introducing rectangles as a design element. Settling on a purple outer glow for the rectangles. Using an image mask, I'm removing the rectangles from behind the word cosmic to achieve a more uniform appearance. During this process, remember that if an element feels forced, it is likely to look forced. Composition should feel smooth and harmonious. And adjusting the planet's hues using the hue and saturation tool. After some tweaks to the white bars, turning them black, I do move this title upwards a little bit to make our hero look more heroic. Now that his arms are visible, he stands proud. Black as a drop shadow to the whole group. As a whole, it creates an effect to the whole title. I am now satisfied more with the composition of his name. Next, I'm using distressed images also created in MidJourney. The overlay feature allows you to experiment with how your distress effects are displayed. From lighten to darken to overlay itself, you have various options on how this is portrayed. Using the blend if tool, blend if gray, you can adjust to what degree the distress effects are overlaid. This gives you a little bit of fine tuning in the whole look. Finally, I'm applying a border texture and adjusting the background brightness. And there you have it. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, or fresh ideas for future designs, please leave a comment below. Also, check out my video on the image separations. See you next time.